Today, I'm hunting for pickup trucks that aren't just nice to look at, but actually useful in real life. Let's start with the first one. Number 1. 2006 Ford F-350 Super Duty Crew Cab Lariat 6 3/4 foot. Price $4,500. Location Rehoboth, Massachusetts. If you want modern heavy-duty capability at an unexpectedly accessible price, this truck makes a strong case immediately. The 2006 Super Duty Crew Cab Lariat blends workhorse strength with premium trim comfort. The crew cab layout gives you real passenger space, family-ready, crew-ready, job site-ready. The Lariat badge adds upgraded interior touches compared to base trims, making it feel more refined than older work trucks. Design-wise, this generation carries bold front-end styling, tall stance, and serious towing presence. Compared to 70s and 80s classics, this feels more modern and more daily drivable. At $4,500, this sits in entry to mid-level pricing for a Super Duty. That number suggests high mileage or cosmetic wear, but if mechanically solid, it's strong practical value. Long-term, these are less about collector appreciation and more about usability and durability. Number 2. 1973 Ford F-250 Long Bed. Price $4,500. Location Novi, Michigan. This is pure vintage presence. The 1973 F-250 represents the beginning of the 6th generation Ford trucks, larger, tougher, and unmistakably 70s. The long bed configuration reinforces its work truck roots. The body lines are bold and squared. Chrome details, classic grille styling, and old-school steel construction give it undeniable character. At $4,500, this enters entry to mid-level pricing for a 70s heavy-duty classic. If structurally solid, this could be a strong restoration candidate. Properly restored 70s F-250s can command significantly higher values. As is, it offers heritage at a relatively accessible entry point. Number 3. 1991 Ford F-150 Long Bed. Price $2,000. Location Youngstown, Ohio. This is affordable, simple, and honest truck ownership. The 1991 F-150 belongs to the beloved OBS generation, known for durability and straightforward mechanical design. The long bed makes it functional for light hauling or home projects. At $2,000, this clearly sits in entry-level territory. It likely requires maintenance, but for buyers looking for a low-cost utility truck or a budget-friendly classic platform, this is realistic pricing. OBS half-tons are gaining appreciation, especially clean examples. If maintained properly, long-term value stability is possible. Number 4. 1978 Ford F-150 XLT 6.5 foot. Price $8,500. Location Morgantown, West Virginia. This truck speaks directly to collectors who love late 70s style. The 1978 F-150 XLT offers upgraded trim compared to base models. The shorter 6.5 foot bed gives it better proportions visually, often more desirable among enthusiasts. Late 70s Ford trucks carry strong classic appeal: round headlights, bold grille, thick steel panels, and undeniable presence. At $8,500, this moves into mid to upper classic pricing. If clean and mostly original, this could lean toward collector-grade territory. Values for well-kept 70s short bed trucks have shown steady interest in the market. Number 5. 1994 Ford F-350 Regular Cab Custom. Price $7,800. Location Fairfield, Connecticut. If you need serious capability wrapped in classic 90s styling, this is a compelling option. The 1994 F-350 sits within the OBS generation but offers 1-ton strength. Regular cab configuration keeps it simple and purpose-driven. Compared to half-tons, the F-350 platform delivers higher towing and payload capacity. These trucks are often sought after by buyers who need real working durability. At $7,800, this lands in mid-range pricing for an OBS F-350. clean, heavy-duty OBS trucks continue gaining traction among enthusiasts, especially diesel or specialty configurations. Number 6. 1972 Ford F-250. Price, $12,500. Location, Frostburg, Maryland. This is where vintage meets serious collector territory. The 1972 F-250 sits at the tail end of the fifth-generation Ford trucks. These pre-1973 models have a slightly more classic, less bulky profile compared to later versions. At $12,500, this clearly sits in premium classic pricing. That suggests strong condition or restoration. Well-preserved early 70s trucks often attract collectors due to their historical positioning before the body redesign. Long-term, properly maintained examples can hold value well. Number 7. 1966 Ford F-100. Price, $15,000. Location, Belmont, New Hampshire. This is vintage Americana at its core. The 1966 F-100 features clean mid-60s lines, smaller proportions, and undeniable nostalgic charm. These trucks are often restored as weekend cruisers or show vehicles. At $15,000, this sits firmly in premium classic territory. Pricing suggests condition matters significantly. Fully restored 60s trucks can exceed this price point, depending on originality. Collector appeal here is strong. This is less about utility and more about heritage and passion. Number 8. 1970 Ford F-250 Highboy. Price, $5,000. Location, Burgettstown, Pennsylvania. The Highboy name alone carries weight. The 1970 Ford F-250 Highboy is known for its divorced transfer case and tall stance. Among enthusiasts, Highboys are respected for their rugged 4x4 capability and unique mechanical setup. At $5,000, this appears attractively priced for a Highboy. Depending on condition, this could represent strong value. Restored Highboys often command far higher figures. Number 9. 1986 Ford F-350 King Ranch 8 feet. Price, $8,000. Location, Burke, Virginia. A heavy-duty truck with upscale branding is always interesting. The 1986 F-350 combines one-ton capability with distinctive trim identity. Long bed configuration reinforces its work orientation. At $8,000, this sits mid-range for an 80s one-ton. Clean condition could justify pricing. It appeals to buyers wanting both capability and character. Number 10. 2006 Ford F-250 Long Bed. Price, $5,500. Location, Middleborough, Massachusetts. Another Super Duty, but at a slightly higher price point than number 1. Long bed configuration adds towing stability and hauling practicality. Compared to older trucks, this offers better comfort and drivability. At $5,500, this sits in entry to mid pricing for mid-2000s heavy-duty trucks. Strong usability value if maintained. Number 11. 1994 Ford F-350 XLT Cab and Chassis. Price, $1,700. Location, Vernon, Ohio. This is pure work truck value. Cab and chassis configurations are built for utility bodies, flatbeds, or commercial conversions. At $1,700, this is deep entry-level pricing. Likely needs work, but for someone building a project hauler, it's extremely accessible. Number 12. 1994 Ford F-150 XL 8-foot. Price, $3,200. Location, West Bath, Maine. A balanced OBS half-ton with practical usability. At $3,200, this sits low to mid-entry pricing. Good candidate for daily light-duty use or restoration base. Number 13. 1987 Ford Ranger 2.0 liter. Price $3,500. Location Wilmington, Delaware. Compact, efficient, and increasingly nostalgic. The 1987 Ranger offers smaller size and lighter duty practicality. At $3,500, this is mid-range for a clean, compact classic. Great for urban drivers or collectors of smaller vintage trucks. Number 14. 1996 Ford F-150 XL 6.5 feet. Price $6,000. Location Staten Island, New York. The final year of OBS half-tons carries emotional value for many enthusiasts. At $6,000, this leans toward mid-range pricing. Clean final year OBS trucks often carry stronger demand. Number 15. 1968 Ford Ranger long bed. Price $7,000. Location Wadesboro, North Carolina. Vintage charm with late 60s styling makes this a conversation piece. At $7,000, this sits mid-level for late 60s trucks. Restoration potential and collector appeal are both factors here.
If this video helped you get closer to the right truck, hit the like button so more people can find content like this. And don't forget to subscribe. On this channel, we break down real listings, real prices, and real vehicles so you can buy smarter, not harder. Whenever there's something new and useful, I'll bring it straight to this channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.